random truck in the background. Okay. See how I get this with the biggest knife I can find, you know what I'm saying? Even though I already opened this to see what it is. Yes, sir, ski. Oof. No. Want anything done? Carbon fiber works. You can do custom carbon fiber, but then also he has a lot of, you know, like standard issued stuff too. And got this almost probably a year ago, but this happened through overseas for a long time. Next is open up this. Really don't know what I ordered. Really forgot. All right, bam. Just some foam. Yeah. If I remember right, it has, yeah, the RGB lights going all the way around. It goes all the way to right there. Now I have the halo and also the demon eyes. I can't see if it's etched in there or not. Yeah, it's demon eyes in there. Yeah, that's one. Very nice, all blacked out housing. Mine doesn't have the blacked out housing. I have the SXT model, so the base model of the base. And then also have the fog lights. The only thing is about the fog lights, I'm gonna have to completely customize the whole opening because I don't have actual fog lights openings. It's completely aligned through there. So open up the secondary box and show you that one too. Make sure everything's alright. Everything that got shipped. And then I have another package with the hood right there. Gotta see if that's alright, because big old hole there whenever he shipped. Also there's damage on the other side. Alright, bet. Open up the other one. Just open up one side real quick. I don't know if I can open this other half of it. It's gonna fall over. Whoa. Make sure it's not gonna fall. Woo! You can tell how long it's been in here. This amount of spider webs. I'm gonna pull out for you. Unboxing and see. That's the only issue. I'm kind of right there. Got hit a little bit through the box. See what? That's all right. Got it out the box. Set up right here. We want to take it outside, but it's ain't trying to get dirty like that, you know. Brand new. Keep it crisp. They drug it across the floor a couple times. Hopefully. Okay, it's a piece of wood. Good. From the corners. I don't know. It feels heavier than I thought. There's a company I got the hood from, Carbon Creations. And this dude was Zen carbon fiber for his steering wheel. And the headlights was off of lighting trends, I believe. You can either buy the headlights in a kit to make them yourself. Or you can buy them fully kitted. Like everything together assembled. It's like $400 or $500 more. I'd rather have them do it, get a warranty, so you know, something happens, oh bam, they can just fix it. All right, guys, we got it off. Still really good. You see in the time lapse there, really good packaging on it. Really good packaging. But you don't see anything majorly wrong with it. It's been in packaging for quite some time. I can't turn on. There we go. There we go. I already know I'm gonna paint these black. Oh look, that doesn't look. They cut too much out right there. Easy issue. Not complaining that much. This rest look good. You want to do like a gold tinge, dark gold, bronze, something like that. It's the Hellcat style hood for the Dart. Obviously, you see full carbon, everything. But I think underneath they use like a aluminum bonnet, I think. It's just better structured. Everything goes down nicely. All the bolts, all AM everywhere, so you don't have to drill hood pins and everything, because it's got to latch on pretty tight and it's pretty heavy. It's not like heavy, still lighter than the other hood. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Clean it off, give it a wash, put it on. So this is the rest of the parts I have. Most of it is all connecting together. Like 3 boxes right here is the suspension. I got bags. I went with the AirTech the Stage 2 Plus kit. Want that airlift performance too. So I got dual pumps with I don't remember the air tank size. I'm pretty sure this is the tank right here. I think it's a 10-gallon tank. 10-gallon tank. Got wheels. I'm boxing those too. I have other stuff too. Completely forgot everything that I even ordered. Yeah, there goes Stage 2 Plus upside down. You can see it. And I'm trying to put everything on. Nearly all the videos that y'all seen are all, not videos y'all seen, but all the plastic clips are all multiple months apart. Some even years apart. Got most of the stuff almost 2 years ago now. My headlights and my hood. It was the first things I ever ordered. It was my headlights, and I ordered that in November 2020. The hood I ordered in like January 2021. Wheels I just bought a couple months ago. Suspension the same thing. The other stuff is miscellaneous, like random pieces and everything. But I'll show you unboxing of most of the suspension right now. Yeah, just open it right now. Hey, came with a pair of socks. Appreciate that, AirTech. The adjusters, looks like some stuff right here. Oh, box is pretty heavy, It's for the rear. All the seals are good and everything. It's been sitting for, I think I bought this in March 2022 this year, probably, I'm gonna say. Good for the air. I think it's pretty good. Let's get the rest of this wrapping off for you. See. Alright, goes the full thing. There's the front strut. So on darts, you do have to drill out the mounting points for them, because if y'all know, in the Dodge darts only has 2 holes. Well, it does have 3, but they're way out of line, and the darts only sit in there actually through the nut on top through these little crush washers that sit on the side of them. And when those fall out, you literally have to replace the whole thing because they're one-time use. So it kind of is better to switch your suspension. If you go with coilovers, I was going to go with coilovers originally, but I'm going to get a second car either way. So Might as well. Bags are just for groceries. I mean, got 4 seats, so it's convenient. Recoil. That's good. I don't know if the boot was supposed to have anything on top tightening it down or not. Kind of all loose like that. That's this box. I'm trying to pull out the next boxes to see.